So this is how to sew the clothes. I cut out a small piece. Look at it from the material. The remaining material I cut out a straight piece, so it looks like a bias. I don't want just to use an ordinary bias. I just want to use the fabric and turn it to a bias so that it will come out nice. If you want to use a bias tool, it's okay. So I'm going to be using this to turn my neck over. I want to show you how I'm going to be placing it. I'm going to be placing this on top of the right side of the material. The right side, that means the front side, and I'm going to be sewing and turn back and stitch it. I'm going to show you simply by sewing it. Okay. So this is it. I have sewn this upper part. Please, if you have excesses at the extreme, you have to remove them a bit. So this is how I'm turning it to face the back. It's the back now. Sorry, that is a little far from the camera. So this is it. I'll be trimming off a little bit excesses so that it will be flat when I turn it over. If you want to notch, you can notch. That's the way to notch, but I'm not going to notch since I'm turning it over. Okay, so I'm going to be sewing this over just like a small pipe, and this is it. So I'm going to run the stitches on that side, on this side. This is how it will look. Okay, so I'm done piping it. Look at it, just done. I left a little space. I didn't pipe it to the extreme. I piped one side to the extreme and I left one side unpiped to the extreme. So this is the side I left. That part is the part I'll use to turn it over. I'm going to also show you another way to do it, but that style is so outdated. But if you want your clothes to stand out and look nice, please use this part. Thank you. So I'm going to sew this. Ensure that you secure that place very well so it doesn't have excesses coming out when you're done sewing. Okay, I'll run my stitches down and show you. So this is it. Look at it. I'm going to cut out the excesses that will make that place stiff. Just cut it out a bit and I'll turn. Now this is it. I have joined the neck. I'm going to run a stitch across just to continue the line that was running formerly. So I'll do this for this side and do that for the other side, the two parts. Very easy, very easy. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly take time to subscribe and like. Leave a lovely comment down below. Your feedback is important to me. Okay, so this is it. Okay, look at the wrong method. When you do it like this, the thing doesn't look so nice. It's going to be obvious that you're a learner, but you can surprise them by doing things in a matured way, and they'll be like, oh my god, this girl is learning fast, this boy is really quick. Okay, so I'm going to be losing this part and still do it the other way around. I just wanted to do it to show you that some people join clothes like this. It's easier, but it's nicer to join it like this. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing I did for the other side on this
So we're
side.
all done for the front, for the back, and for this other side too. So this is everything, and I've joined the clothes. Everything is now ready.